Everything they taught you about history in school is wrong. Not the facts, the way they explained it. So I'm going to teach you 10,000 years of human civilization in 7 minutes using only cats. And by the end, you'll realize every empire in history collapsed for the exact same reason. The same reason your civilization is probably about to collapse too. Yes, yours. Okay, let's start from the beginning. What is history? Cat sit on rock. Cat eat mouse. Life good. But cat want more. So cat watch. Cat learn. Cat remember. This is history. Long ago, cat live in cave. Cat cold. Cat wet. Cat sad. Cat see lightning hit tree. Tree make fire. Fire warm. Cat happy. Cat now boss of fire. Other cats come close. Other cats want fire too. Cat say fire is mine. Other cats say fire is ours. First fight starts. This is first war. War over fire. Caveman cat era begins. Then cat discover farming. Cat plant seed. Seed grow into plant. Plant feed cat. Cat no longer chase mouse all day. Cat now sit. Cat now think. Cat now bored. So cat invent things. Cat invent wheel. Cat invent rope. Cat invent tax. Other cats hate tax. Tax cat is hated cat. Cats start to gather. Many cats in one place is called village. Many villages in one place is called city. Many cities ruled by one cat is called empire. First cat, empire begin. Mesopotamia cat. Egypt cat. Egypt cat, very powerful. Egypt cat build big triangle. Triangle for dead cat go inside. Other cats put gold inside. Other cats put fish inside. Other cats put servant cat inside, which is not good for servant cat. Egypt cat rule for long time. Then Egypt cat get tired. Greek cat show up. Greek cat write books. Greek cat make philosophy. Greek cat ask what is meaning of cat. No cat knows. Cats argue for 2,000 years. Still no answer. Then Roman cat appears. Roman cat strong. Roman cat build roads. Roman cat conquer everything. If cat see road, road belong to Rome. If cat see field, field belong to Rome. If cat see other cat belong to Rome. Roman cat empire grow. And grow. And grow. And grow. Until Roman cat empire too big. Roman cat get fat. Roman cat get lazy. Outside cats invade. Roman cat fall. Then comes dark time. Medieval cat. Cat live in castle. Cat fight with sword. Cat get plague. Many cat die. Sad time for cat. Cat blame other cat. Cat blame stars. Cat blame witch cat. Cat burn witch cat. Witch cat was actually just regular cat with black fur. This is very bad time for black cat. Then one day, cat rediscover old Greek books. Cat say, wait, Greek cat smart. We forgot. So cats start thinking again. This is called Renaissance. Cat paint. Cat sculpt. Cat draw cat with no clothes. Art cat happy. Then science cat appears. Science cat look at sky. Science cat says Earth not center of universe. Church cat very angry. Church cat put science cat in jail. But science cat was right. Earth is just rocks spinning around bigger rock. Awkward. Then comes age of exploration. Cat get on boat. Cat sail across ocean. Cat find new land. New land already has cats. New cats say, hello. Old cats say, this is ours now. This was not very nice of old cats. Many new cats die. Old cats take gold. Old cats take spice. Old cats take sugar. Old cats get rich. New cats get sad. History book later say, whoopsie. Then industrial revolution. Cat invent steam. Steam make machine. Machine make cloth. Machine make stuff. Cat no longer make stuff by paw. Cat now work in factory. Factory cat works 16 hours. Factory cat get 1 fish per day. Factory cat sad. But factory boss cat very happy. Boss cat have many fish. Boss cat have big house. Boss cat have small mustache. This make worker cat angry. Worker cat read book by Karl Marx the cat. Marx cat says, workers of the world, unite. You have nothing to lose but your collars. Worker cat, like this idea. Some countries try worker cat plan. Some countries do not. This causes big argument for next 100 years. Then comes World War. World War I. World War II. Cats fight cats. Many cats die. Cats invent tank. Cats invent plane. Cats invent bomb. Cats invent bigger bomb. Cats invent biggest bomb. Cats finally agree this is enough bombs. For now. Then comes Cold War. American cat versus Soviet cat. They do not actually fight. They just stare at each other for 50 years. Very tense. Both cats build many bombs. Both cats go to space. American cat lands on moon. Soviet cat says, we did not want to go anyway. Then comes internet. Cat invent computer. Computer talk to other computer. Cat now connected. Cat share information. Cat share videos. Cat share videos of cats. This is what internet is mostly for. Cat scientists say this is fine. The wheel of history. History is just one big loop. Cat invent thing. Thing make life better. Cat get comfortable. Cat get greedy. Cat fight other cat. Everything fall apart. Then cat invent new thing. Thing make life better. Cat get comfortable. Cat get greedy. Cat fight other cat. Everything fall apart. Again and again. Forever. The lesson? Cat does not learn from history. Cat just lick paw and nap. So if you want to know what happens next, just look at what already happened. It will happen again. Probably with new technology and slightly worse haircuts. And that, my friends, is history. Please subscribe. And remember, cats together strong.